The FYSIQ Home Treadmill is a modern, user-friendly cardio machine designed for individuals seeking a convenient and reliable way to exercise at home. Engineered with a 2.25 HP high-efficiency motor, a durable 7-layer shock-absorbing running surface, and a zero-assembly design, this treadmill provides a smooth, quiet, and comfortable workout experience for walking, jogging, and light running.
Ideal for apartments, home gyms, offices, and small living spaces, the FYSIQ treadmill combines silent operation, compact structure, and high-quality materials for long-term durability. Simply unbox, unfold, and start your training, no tools or assembly required.
The treadmill is equipped with a 2.25 horsepower motor, delivering smooth and consistent speed control, quiet operation perfect for shared spaces, stable performance for daily walking and jogging routines, reduced vibration for enhanced comfort. The motor ensures reliable training intensity without disturbing others in your home.
With an adjustable speed range of 1 to 12 km per hour, the treadmill supports gentle walking, brisk walking, light jogging, moderate-paced running, suitable for beginners, fitness enthusiasts, and those returning to exercise. The 7-layer running surface is engineered for maximum comfort and joint protection. Benefits include effective impact reduction, anti-slip top layer for improved traction, noise-dampening layers for quiet operation, increased durability for long-term home use, stable support for natural running mechanics. This advanced belt design promotes safer and more enjoyable workouts.
The FYSIQ treadmill arrives fully pre-assembled, offering zero installation or setup time, convenience for users of all experience levels, immediate use right out of the box, effortless folding and storing, perfect for compact homes or busy lifestyles.
This treadmill is built to fit seamlessly into any living space. Slim folding capability for easy storage, built-in transport wheels for effortless movement, space-saving profile ideal for rooms, offices, and apartments. A practical choice for users wanting high performance without sacrificing space.
This treadmill is built to fit seamlessly into any living space. Slim folding capability for easy storage, built-in transport wheels for effortless movement, space-saving profile ideal for rooms, offices, and apartments. A practical choice for users wanting high performance without sacrificing space.
The treadmill features strong frame structure, stable running deck, high load-bearing capability for daily workouts, long-lasting components optimized for home fitness, designed for consistency, safety, and user confidence.
The treadmill includes an intuitive control panel featuring speed adjustment, time, distance, and calorie tracking, clear digital readouts, everything needed for effective home training.
Technical specifications: model FYSIQ Home Treadmill, motor power 2.25 HP, speed range 1 to 12 km per hour, running surface 7-layer shock absorbing belt, assembly not required, use type walking, jogging, light running, ideal for home use, apartments, offices, daily exercise.
Why choose the FYSIQ Home Treadmill? Powerful and quiet 2.25 HP motor, comfortable 7-layer running deck, fully assembled and ready to use, adjustable speed for walking and jogging, space-saving foldable design, smooth, stable, and silent performance, ideal for home fitness and everyday cardio training.